Let's start with the route determination. Okay, so route determination. Okay, steps. SPRO, sales, business, basic functions, route determinations. Okay, and route determination steps. Okay, so what is route determination? Okay, so it is a procedure for delivery order item and can repeat the procedure for a delivery. The system determines route automatically for the sales order item and can repeat the procedure for a delivery. So route determination, what will happen in order to define routes to proceed as follows. So what are the things you have to follow? These are these things. Define the modes of transport, then shipping type, transportation connection point, and maintain the relevant data and routes and the route stages. So these are the steps we have to maintain it. So where are these steps? It is here in the below. Route, define route, modes of transport, shipping types, transportation, connection point, and routes and stages. Okay. So along with this, there are another two steps are there. Transportation zone, country transportation zone for shipping and point, and then route determination. So these are all optionals. If you want, you have already created, then okay. If not, you can create it. Okay. So first thing what will happen, route determination. Okay. So these combinations you have to create it. One is departure zone, or else you can also call as a country. Okay. So that is for you have to be check in the shipping point, plan, okay, or else ship to party, ship to party. Then same departure like this, same destination zone or country, and this will be a where sold to party. And this is condition, shipping condition. And this you need to check in the customer master record, master record, and transportation group. And this will be a material master, and the material master data. So these are the combinations have to be maintained in this. Okay, so let's start with first. Okay, define modes of transport. So what is modes of transport? You know, right? Already like road, rail, sea, air. So these are the modes of transport. It is there. So already predefined are there. If you have any one, you can create it. Otherwise, you can take it as a standard one. Okay, so if you take this, what is it? Mode of transport, you have to define only these categories. So what is predefined categories are there? So those categories. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So already 6 was a it's a predefined. So 11, 20, all those things I think somebody has created it with this. Okay. So let it be 1 as a road, and next shipping type. Okay. So shipping type give as a something as a, if you have a, you can take as a copy. shipping type, um, N, N, S, NS, and give as a something truck. Truck is our uh, shipping transportation, and this is the what we created, no, road, rail, all those things. So that will be a mode of transport. So it's let it be 01 road, and this is shipping type pricing. Sorry, procedure group. Shipping type procedure group. So these also give, let it be as a one as a street. Enter, save it. Okay. Now define transportation connection point. Okay. So here give create our new one. NIS one hyphen something as will give as a shipping point. Shipping point. Point for NIS one. And if your this transportation point is like whether it is a airport, railway station, where it is, then point it is. So that point, if you want to give, you can select any of these characters. Otherwise, you can leave as a blank. For this point, neither an address or nor reference is defined. Okay, so let's give us one. And I say one shipping point. Enter. Save it. Can you get away? Shipping point. For this point, neither an address nor a reference is defined. Address or reference is defined. Not required, but still why it is asking me. So let me copy this and see. एक कोई कॉपी करेंगे. Copy. Shipping point loading point. यहाँ पे हमारा था ना एक शिपिंग पॉइंट. Yes. Save it. Okay, so next is define route and stages. Okay, so we can go for the new entries, give some name here as a route, and now yes, one up, and then give as a something route. Mm, and now this one. Okay, ID you can define anything. So and now this one or same thing it can be. Okay, and service agent we can give any names if you have already defined it. Okay, if you don't, if you leave blank also not a problem. Okay, so mode of transport, mode of transport. The main thing it is shipping type you have to give. Okay, what type of shipping you have. So we have already created NS, give as a NS. Okay, and distance mean the transport route, how much kilometer or how much distance is this. So you can give as a 10 kilometer. Okay, and then main thing is relevant for transport, whether it is for transport or not. With okay, when it is delivery is there, so yeah, obviously it will be a transport should be there. So select as a transport relevant for transport, and these are optional. Transit time, how much time it will take. Say example for 10 kilometers might be a take as a one hour 1 hour. So give that as a 1 hour, and if it is a duration, travel duration, all those things optional. And factory calendar, it is already what we given in the plant IM. Give this plant IM and save it. Okay. Double click on route stages. Route stages. You, you don't need to create anything here. Okay. No need to create here. If you have any location point detail things, you can mention here. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay. Transportation connection. Save it. Okay. Maintain stages for all routes not required. Let it leave this. Go for defined transportation zone. Defined transportation zone. Okay. And see, remember these T codes are very easy. It is these four steps T code you can easily can do. Okay. Mm, OV OVT. Sorry, zero VTA. Instead of A, first start with the B. Okay. Mode of transport. And then what we next is a shipping type. So it is for A. Okay. Easy to remember it is. Then again, this is for D, transportation. Same T code, D it is. Okay. Now again, C is this. And then next go for defined transportation zone. Okay. So here go for new entries if you're not created. If it is already there, you can leave it. IM. Okay. So IM, I think we have not defined anything. It is IM not. So what we have given in the plant and customer master data. So that we have to check it out first. Go for Plant OX19. No, sorry. OX9. We go with SPR. Tipping point and plant. Logistic general. Okay. Now yes. One. Select here. So here it is additional tab. Additional tab. Time zone it is there. India. So that is not required here. Okay, let me check in the shipping point. Go for yes. Okay. So here departure zone. Okay, transportation zone, departure zone. So we have not given here. Okay. So what we can do, we can create our new, or else you can give as a any standard one, North India. Okay. So if you want to create, you can create it here. So go for new entries, give as a IN India, give something as a North, North, one, North zone, transportation zone, transportation zone, okay, and now let's one. Save it. Back. Okay. Now maintain country and transport. So this is because we already opened shipping point here. Okay. Now maintain country and the transportation zone for shipping point. Okay. Go for position. Give a shipping point NIS. NISP. Okay. So NISP, NI and zone. The what we created NIS North, NIS1. Okay. Save it. Okay. Now after saving, if you check here in the planned shipping point, it will display now. Go for position, NISP, enter. See here, now it is came not NIS1. Okay, shipping point. Transportation group, define transportation group. So this is already be defined in the material management. Okay, MM02. What is the plan? Sorry, material. Yes. 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 So go for shipping plan under here transportation zone. This Okay, so this here you can assign here as a 001 standard, or else you can create also. If you want, you can go for new interface, give a nice NIST, NIST, transportation group for NIS for save it. Okay. So now same thing you can assign here. Go for your transportation zone and you can assign this. Okay. So loading group is one and transportation group is NIST. Okay. So define weight group not required. Okay. So weight group is used when it is you have a delivery. If you want to change the route, then at the time of delivery you have to maintain the weight group. If you're not maintaining for delivery, then it's not required. Maintain route determination. Go for route determination. Here new entries. Okay. Now this is departure, and this departure zone, and here destination and destination zone. We have to assign here. Okay. So India, here we what we created here, NI North departure zone, and destination will be a India. Same we can give here. If you have more than one, we can give. Otherwise, we can give as a same as it is. Okay. Then after this, save, save and double click on the route determination without wait. Okay. New entries. Here give the shipping point, and this shipping point you should give as per your master data, customer master data. What you have maintained the customer master data. Here transportation zone. Let's check. Sales data between NS. You have given as a NS. So you have to give here also NS. NS. Give as a NS group NST and the proposed route determination. So what we created for new route NIS1R. Save. Okay. So this till this much we have to configure, we have to do. And same thing we also have to check for the customer master data, that time zone XD02, company code NIS1. So go for general. In general, there's a transportation group is there. Mm, transportation group. transportation zone. So here you also you have to assign this transportation zone, not NIS1. Save it. Okay. Then for shipping, um, shipping, everything is over. Shipping condition. Then next is transportation zone. I think it is sales data. Sales data, billing. Here one more it is there, transportation zone. Okay. Let's see it is. So till here it is okay, fine. Okay. Now what we can do, we can go for material master also. We can check once vehicle transportation zone it is there. We have to assign it. Transportation group is assigned. And next is all good. Fine. So we can create one purchase order. Okay. And we can check out. Go for VA01. Okay. Okay. We have to assign one more as a sales order. Go for VOV8. VOV8. Go for NIS. NIS. NSOR. So here if you have any transportation shipping condition NS. Okay, good. Already it's aligned. So rest is okay. Nothing it is. One. NIS enter. User for customer. One. Enter. Shipping. Okay. Route determination is picked. So this is the route determination will happen through these steps. So these no steps you have to configure to determine the route. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 steps. And along with this transportation zone, we have to assign in the customer and material. Transportation group we have to assign in the material, and this transportation group zone we have to assign in the customer. Okay, and then maintain route determination step. Okay. So these are the steps you have to maintain to determine the route.